For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a pottery business combines artistry with entrepreneurship. With the rise of free artificial intelligence tools, launching such a creative venture is more accessible than ever. From designing your brand to marketing your products, AI can accelerate each step of the process while reducing costs and saving time. In this guide, you'll learn how to start a pottery business using free AI tools, with detailed prompts and steps for making the most of this technology. Step 1. Define your business vision and goals. Before getting your hands dirty with clay, you need to shape your business idea. Decide what kind of pottery you'll make: functional ware, decorative pieces, custom commissions, or a mix. Use ChatGPT to help you refine your concept and set clear business goals. A useful prompt would be, help me define the vision, mission, and primary goals for a small handmade pottery business focused on functional ceramics. ChatGPT can then assist you in writing a compelling business vision, outline short-term and long-term goals, and align your ideas with your target audience. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A business plan will act as your roadmap and may be required if you seek funding later. ChatGPT can structure the entire document, including executive summary, target market, pricing strategy, and financial forecasts. Prompt example: write a detailed business plan for a pottery business that sells handmade mugs, bowls, and vases through an online store and local markets. You can also use Notion AI for organizing the business plan into sections, creating tables for cost estimates, and setting monthly goals. Notion AI helps visualize timelines and break down your financials. Step 3. Conduct market research with free tools. Understanding what customers want is key. Use Google Trends to identify popular pottery items and seasonal interest. For example, search ceramic mugs or handmade pottery to see when demand spikes. ChatGPT can also simulate surveys or generate interview questions. Prompt: give me 10 survey questions to ask potential customers about their pottery preferences, styles, and price range. Additionally, you can analyze competitors by asking, list common features, pricing strategies, and marketing angles of successful Etsy pottery shops. Step 4. Design your brand identity with AI assistance. Your brand's name, logo, and color palette matter. Use Loca, free version, or Canva's logo generator to create visuals. For naming your business, ask ChatGPT. Suggest 20 unique pottery business names that reflect handmade, artisanal craftsmanship. To define your brand voice and values, use this prompt. Create a brand identity guide for a modern, eco-conscious pottery studio, including tone of voice, color scheme, and messaging themes. Step 5. Set up a cost-effective studio workspace. If you're working from home, plan how to set up your studio with budget in mind. ChatGPT can help generate checklists. What tools and materials do I need to start a pottery studio at home on a small budget? Use Google Sheets to track costs for clay, kiln rentals, glazes, and tools. You can also prompt ChatGPT to help calculate startup costs. Estimate the startup expenses for launching a small pottery business from home. Step 6. Develop a product line and pricing strategy. Decide which items to make first and how to price them. You can ask ChatGPT, help me design a product line of 5 pottery items for beginners to produce and sell online, with descriptions and target price points. For pricing, use this prompt. Create a pricing model for handmade pottery items, factoring in time, material costs, overhead, and profit margin. This can help you avoid undercharging and ensure sustainability. Step 7. Build your online presence with free AI tools. Create a website using free builders like Wix or WordPress. You can use AI to write your copy. Prompt ChatGPT. Write homepage and product page content for a pottery business called Clay Nest, specializing in handmade mugs and bowls. Use Canva's free templates for banners and product photos. Remove.bg can help edit and clean up product images. For SEO optimization, ask, Generate SEO titles and meta descriptions for my pottery product listings. Step 8. Create a marketing plan and content calendar. To bring customers to your shop, you need a plan. Use ChatGPT to build a marketing roadmap. Prompt. Create a 3-month marketing plan for launching a pottery business online with weekly content ideas, promotion tactics, and social media strategies. For social media graphics and captions, use Canva AI or ChatGPT with "Give me 10 Instagram post captions and hashtags for promoting handmade pottery." You can also use Google Calendar to organize your posts and promotions into a schedule. Step 9. Start selling and accepting payments. Sell through platforms like Etsy or create your own store using Square Online or Shopify's free trial. Use PayPal or Square for easy payment processing. ChatGPT can help write product descriptions that convert. Prompt. Write compelling Etsy product descriptions for a handmade ceramic mug, focusing on sensory details and gift potential. You can also ask, what are best practices for photographing pottery to increase sales online? Step 10. Collect feedback and improve continuously. Once you've sold your first batch, gather reviews. ChatGPT can generate survey forms. Prompt. Create a 5-question customer satisfaction survey for a pottery shop to learn about product quality, packaging, and shipping experience. Use the feedback to tweak your product line, packaging, or service. For tracking improvements, Notion AI or Google Sheets can help you log changes and outcomes. Step 11. Automate and expand with free AI tools. As your business grows, use AI to streamline operations. You can create automated email sequences with MailChimp's free plan. Use ChatGPT to write them. Write a welcome email and follow-up email for new customers of a handmade pottery shop. To save time on customer service, build an FAQ section. Prompt. Create a list of FAQs for a pottery business, including care instructions, return policy, and shipping details. You can also ask ChatGPT to brainstorm new product ideas. Suggest seasonal pottery product ideas to sell during the holidays. Conclusion. Starting a pottery business used to require large investments of time and money, but free AI tools have dramatically changed the landscape. From crafting your brand to building a website and creating content, artificial intelligence can handle the heavy lifting while you focus on your craft. By strategically using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Trends, and Notion AI, you can turn your passion for pottery into a profitable and creatively fulfilling business. Let AI handle the tech while you bring the art. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.